from Slovenia again. I will play with flower dip technique again. I will reuse this canvas. I just painted it with white, because I will use white as my background. And I will do this on this aluminum foil. I really like it in my previous video, because it gives you that nice, you know, it's hard to explain when you lift your canvas, because this is the technique that you pour your paint on the surface, dip your canvas in, and because it's not stiff, with the suction of paint it lifts a little bit and releases nicely, so that's why I liked it. So I will use some quinacridone magenta, ultramarine blue, phthalo cyan blue, and permanent violet, and some greens for the leaves, and of course my pearl white for some effects. And I was thinking to maybe add a little of this pale yellow in the middle, I don't know. And I will just drizzle some paint today. My last video I did some circles, but today I will just drizzle some paint. So this will be my base, and maybe I will add a little base on the canvas too this time, because just because I don't necessarily do it all the time. It's just, you know, what you want. And I think that I have a little too much paint on here, so I will just grab some and put it back into the cup. You need quite an amount of paint, but maybe not as much as I put it down this time. Okie doke. So I will start with some green just around. I will just, as I said, drizzle it like that, just to have some greenery around. This was yellowish green, and this is Green Earth by Pebeo. As you see, I'm just drizzling, nothing fancy. Okay, and I will start with this dark violet. I will just go like that. A little over the green. So this technique is really easy if you are a beginner in fluid art, in acrylic pouring, and you want to try some techniques. This is definitely some nice technique. And today I will just dip one canvas on camera, but you can always do more or leave this for a skin to dry. Just a little more here. Next will be this phthalo blue. And some ultramarine blue. And some quinacridone magenta on top. And I will add just a little bit of pearl white too. And a little bit of this phthalo on top. Okay, as I said, I will add a little bit of white on the canvas too, just to wet it down, not, you know, a lot, just spread around, just to make it wet. See? So let's press this down. And I don't want to press too hard because I don't want to smash my paint underneath way too much, but you have to make sure that your canvas touching this surface. Okay, so the moment of truth, and now I will lift it. If you lift it in different ways, you get different result. I like the lifting it straight up, so I get this nice flowery looking pattern, I hope. You see? And here is our flower. So now I will wait for a second for the pearl white to start reacting. Let me see how the middle looks. I will grab this dotting tool and maybe this part here. Just sliding over the top, not pressing. Totally down, just to correct the middle. Okie doke, so here she is. Some beautiful greenery around, like that webbing and some color mixing. Maybe just a little too much white, but I like it. I do. And I did just another one. This one is, you see, it's more, because there is more colors there is just more around because I didn't add white around or something. So, and of course some coasters. So it's really, this one is just my favorite. Just a fun project. I wish that it would be more centered. Have to figure out, maybe I have to cut my aluminum foil in square, because I really like that there is some negative space, but here is just, I don't know, but still not bad at all. Maybe I will just correct this part a little bit. But yeah, fun project to do. If you are a beginner or not, it's just fun to do those flowers. Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!